Welcome back. Here, now we are going to discuss about the various types of paints uh, in the market. Various types of paints are available in that oil paint, bituminous paint, then after that cement paint, colloidal paint, aluminum paint, asbestos paint, cellulose paint, then enamel paint, anti-corrosive paint. These are the various types uh, of the paint are available in a market. Okay, as per the requirement, we have to go for the selection. Okay, so first, hello, काय होतं रे मध्येच असं? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Here we are discussing about oil paint. Oil paint is an ordinary paint which essentially consists of main two ingredients. In that, first one is the base, and the second one is the vehicle. But in that, we can add, as per our requirement, dryer, thinner, inert filler, or coloring pigment also, as per the our requirement. The various qualities of an oil paint imparted by these ingredients. In general, oil paints are cheap, purely workable, and it possess have a good quality uh, of appearance. Also, it have sufficient durability, enough resistance against the uh, weather elements. Okay, so these are the some good qualities are there of oil paint. The oil paint are used in general for all type of surfaces, such as maybe on woodwork, walls, ceilings, or metal surfaces also. But preferably oil paint we are using for the internal works, means whenever internal walls are there or ceiling is there. Okay, for them we go for the oil paint. Okay, but at the time of application of the oil paint, we have to take due care, means whenever more humidity is there or damp weather is there, in that situation we have to avoid application of the oil paint. And basically that oil paint we are applying in a three coats. In that, maybe first priming coat, then undercoat, and finishing coat. Okay, uh, with this here we can go for three coats or maybe two coats only. As per our requirements we have to go for it, but basically we are applying three coats. In that, first one is the priming coat, second one is the undercoat, and third one is the finishing coat respectively. Okay, then after that, next type of paint is bituminous paint, or in other words we can say tar paint also. Here bituminous and tar both are the different material, but of same um, what we say एकाच प्रजातीचे असल्यागत आहेत. टार आणि बिट्युमिन. ओके, बिट्युमिन म्हणजे काय, डांबर. ओके, आणि टार म्हणजे काय, एक डांबराचाच प्रकार आहे. ओके, डांबरासारखंच असते टार, TAR, टार म्हणून एक राहते. ओके, ते आहे, त्याचा यूज करून काय करायचं आपल्याला, पेंट प्रिपेअर करायचे. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये काय बघा, in this type of paints, basically bitumen or tar is a main ingredient, and also in that for dissolved naphtha is used. Okay, means for as a vehicle, or as a, sorry, thinner, we can use dissolved naphtha or petroleum or white spirit also. Okay, to increase its workability or thinner property, we have to go for the addition of dissolved naphtha or petroleum material, or maybe white spirit also. Okay, here these paints are especially suitable for painting structural steel or iron work underwater. They are also used for painting exterior brickwork and plastered surfaces. Color of paint is modified by adding certain coloring pigments like red oxide, etc. Here, basically, these bituminous paint or tar paint we are using whenever we are constructing steel structures, maybe uh, as a corrosive coating, or we can say to prevent the entry, to prevent the contact of water or moisture to the metallic or steel material. For that purpose, we go for the bituminous paint. कधी कधी तुम्ही ते ह्याला पण बघितलं असेल बघ, आपलं जर काही एखादं शेड वगैरे मारायचं असेल तर त्यास, आणि ते शेड कन्स्ट्रक्ट करत असताना जर काही आपण बांबू वगैरे आपण यूज करणार असेल, लाकूड वगैरे यूज करणार असेल, आणि ते लाकूड जे आहे ते आपण जमिनीत रुतवणार असेल किंवा त्याला फिक्स करणार असेल, तर त्यावेळेस पण आपण काय करतोय, तर बिट्युमिनस पेंट यूज करतोय बघा, त्याच्यावरती अप्लाय करतोय. कारण त्याची ड्युरेबिलिटी इन्क्रीज होण्यासाठी, किंवा ते त्याला व्हाईट अँड म्हणजेच काय आपलं ती वाळवी वगैरे लागू नये, त्यासाठी आपण काय करतोय तर, किंवा ते कुजू नये लाकूड, त्यासाठी आपण काय करतोय तर बिट्युमिनस पेंटचा यूज करतोय. किंवा कधी कधी शेड आपण स्टील मटेरियल पासून कन्स्ट्रक्ट करत असतो, तर त्यावेळेस पण जे काय आपलं स्टील मटेरियल आहे, जे काय आपलं चॅनल सेक्शन असतील, अँगल सेक्शन असतील, किंवा मग स्क्वेअर सेक्शन असतील, तर त्याचं जे काय आउटर सरफेस आहे त्याच्यावरती आपण काय करतोय, बिट्युमिनस पेंट अप्लाय करतोय. ओके, then next type of paint is there, that is nothing but the cement paint. Here cement paint is available in a powder form in a variety of shades, and it consists of cement and hydrated lime mixed along with a coloring pigment. Okay, means whatever kind of color we want, according to that we have to go for the addition of coloring pigment. But in that basically consist cement and hydrated lime. Okay, uh, in a cement paint should have the various qualities. In that, first one is it possesses better waterproofing qualities. Okay, means uh, it prevents the entry of moisture content. Also, it possesses good strength, hardness, density, and durability. Okay, these qualities comes in this type of paints due to the cement. Okay, we are using cement in a cement paint, so due to that its a durability, density, hardness, or its a strength levels increases. Also, it exhibit excellent decorative appearance. Okay, and this quality is imparted by the use of coloring pigment, or maybe inert filler, lime, and we can say by using the other constituents added in a small percentage in a cement paint. Okay, so this is about the cement paint. Then next type of paint is colloidal paint. uh, this colloidal paint, in a colloidal paint we are not going to use any kind of inert material. Means whatever base is there, with this only we are preparing the colloidal paint, and it is costlier as compared to the other type of paint. Okay, then next type of paint is there, that is nothing but the aluminum paint. Okay, and this aluminum paint, uh, which is formed in a aluminum powder suspended in a spirit varnish or oil varnish. Okay, uh, here in this paint consists of a finely ground aluminum suspended in either quick drying spirit varnish or slow drying oil varnish as per the requirement. On the evaporation of the spirit or oil, the particles of aluminum form a thin metallic coating on the surface painted. Here, in this type of paint, we are using the spirit varnish or oil varnish, and after drying process, okay, those spirit or oil varnish will be there. It will evaporate, and only aluminum particles will be there, and those aluminum particles will form a thin metallic coating on the surface where we have painted. Okay, basically this paint have qualities, maybe like uh, it protects the iron and steel from corrosion in a better way as compared to the other type of paint. Also, it possesses good weather resisting and waterproofing qualities. Also, it offers good resistance to heat and electric current, and it have uh, high spreading and covering power quality. Okay, means aluminum paint will uh, uh, spread over large area, and also within a less amount of paint we can cover large area. Okay, so with this today's now 10:57 is there, so